Hello guys, so I'm gonna do this very quick problem. This is mostly for linear equations if you're in Algebra 1, or if you're going to Algebra 1, depending. This is a very quick video, so I am going to just get started. I am doing this because on my shorts video, this had the most views, apparently. So thank you so much for the subscribers, and for those of you that subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. I really hope that my videos are helping, and so I guess from now on, hopefully my videos get more views. So whoever watches, thank you so much. But we're gonna get started in this really quick problem, and that was just a little introduction of me thanking you guys. So thank you so much. So looking at this problem, we have this linear equation here, and I did previously post a short on how to do linear equations. There are two ways to do this one. The first way that is a very popular way to do it is with distributive property, right? And again, the reason why, my videos are a little bit long is because I like to make sure that it's explained very well. So I like to do both methods in this video. So this first method that we're going to do is by distributive properties. So obviously what you do is you multiply the negative 2n to the x and negative 3. So here we're going to have negative 2 times the times x. So we have negative 2 times x, and then we have minus we're going to say plus the negative 2 times negative 3, right? So, and then we're going to add the 1, and we're going to make it equal to 5, because we still have the plus 1 here, right? And that's, I only write it this way because, of course, for those of you who are new to this, I don't like to, I like to make sure that it's very clear what I'm doing. So negative 2 times x obviously is negative 2x, and then negative 2 times negative 3, we know that two negatives make a positive, right? So it's a positive 6, right? And then we still have that plus 1 left over here, so we have to still add that, and we then have is equal to 5. So then this gives us negative 2x, and then we know that 6 plus 1 is 7, so plus 7 is equal to 5, right? So then we go ahead and we once we do that, to solve for x, what you have to do is you have to isolate your variable. Now, some people like to draw a line to kind of help, make sure everything is in order. You can do that if that helps you. So what you're going to do is you're going to subtract 7 on both sides, because again, what you want is you want to make it in terms of x equals something, right? You want to make sure your x is by itself. So then we're going to have negative 2x, and 7 minus 7 obviously cancels out. It's 0, so we're just left with negative 2x. So then we have negative 2x is equal to, and 5 minus 7 is negative 2. So then from there, what you're going to do is, to solve for x, you're just going to divide by negative 2. Okay? And then negative 2 divided by negative 2, that's just 1, so this cancels out. And then we have x is equal to, and negative 2 divided by negative 2 is just 1, right? So our value, or our x value, is x equals 1 for this one. Now, the other way in which we can do this one is by actually, so the way that I like to call this one, I don't know exactly what to call it, but just watch what I'm doing. So we have -2 times x minus 3 plus 1 equals 5, right? So then what you do is actually you still subtract. So basically you're going to subtract 1 on both sides, right? And so you're not really going to do anything with this part here. You're going to leave it the same. So you're going to say -2 times the quantity x minus 3 is equal to, and you have 5 minus 1, that's just 4, right? Now, here's the part where it's a little bit different. So the thing is, we know that -2 is being multiplied to this entire term, x minus 3, right? So the way that we can solve for this is we can divide it by -2, because multiplication is really the opposite of division, right? So we can divide by -2, and so the -2 cancels out. We are left with x minus 3, and we have 4 divided by -2, so it's -2, right? Now, the last thing to solve for x, remember, we want it in terms of x equals something, right? This is our goal. And we don't know what that something is until we actually work it out. So we have x minus 3 equals -2, so then we're going to add 3 to both sides, and we have x equals, and again, we have -2 plus 3, and -2 plus 3 is just 1. So these are two ways, and you see how we got the exact same answer. So these are two ways in which you can solve this kind of linear equation. This other way, I'm not exactly sure what to call it, but it is another way to solve this linear equation. And so with that being said, guys, I really hope this helps. Thank you so much for the views and for all the attention that my channel is getting. If anybody wants me to, I can make more videos on this, or if you have any other requests that you want me to do, you can always tell me down below on the comments. And so with that being said, guys, I really hope this helps, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.